Hi everyone, welcome to Recipe Kit channel. Today I would like to share recipes for how to cook pumpkin. Pumpkin can be cooked into curry, dessert, cake and also be made into cookies. And for today I want to make pumpkin as steamed cake. The ingredients need to be prepared are 500 shredded pumpkin, 200 gram flour, 200 grams palm sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of vanilli powder, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 eggs and 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. And don't forget to prepare cake mold or even bowl that something can be steamed, and pot or steamer as long could be able for steam. I'm going to start beat the eggs and the palm sugar together. Keep beating until the palm sugar dissolves. It might take a bit longer time. And now I will add in the other ingredients. All add in together. And beat it until dissolve everything, about 10 minutes. After everything dissolve and mix together, now I will add in the flour inside and mix together. And finally is the pumpkin. Mix everything well together. And now ready for steam. Before start steaming, make sure the water fully boiled. And I will steam about 30 minutes. After steam about 30 minutes, I will check. And I will check with either chopstick or something to poke inside. See if already cooked. And yes, this is already cooked well. And this is steamed pumpkin cake. You could try it at home and hope you like it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you again for the next episode only at Recipe Kit channel. Bye bye.